Hello students, welcome to class 10 physics class. In last class we started a new chapter, light, reflection and refraction, and in that class we discussed about the reflection, laws of reflection, some terms related to reflection that you also studied in class 7. Today's class we discuss about image. What do you mean by image? Image means or image is formed when light rays reflected back from a point or from a mirror. If we consider a mirror, whatever we get, that is called an image. That means image of an object. We see the object also, but after the reflection of light from a point. So how we define it? When light rays meet or appear to meet. This is for both cases. Later you understand why we consider meet and appear to meet. This is because of the real image, and this is for the virtual image. Okay. After that we also studied real image and virtual image. I think you have a concept about real image and virtual image because you studied it in class 7. So when light rays meet or appear to meet after reflection from a mirror, it is called an image. In this way we can define the image. Another one, an image is formed when light rays coming from an object, because always the light is coming from a source. So when we get the image of an object, the light rays, the source of the light rays is an object. So light rays coming from an object actually meet or appear to meet at a point after reflection or refraction. Here also we write first the refraction, but in a mirror only reflection takes place, not the refraction. But here because we consider at a point, that's why for both cases we get the image, reflection and refraction. That's why, because here we did not mention from where the light is reflected. That's why we mention both process. So anyone you can write the definition of image. Understand? Now, image is two types. Image are two types. One is a real image, another one is a virtual image. Real image means the real image which image can be obtained on the screen. That is called real image. That means the real image is formed due to real intersection of reflected ray. So reflected ray in real, they will intersect each other and we get the image on the screen. That is called real image. Okay, and virtual image which did not obtain on the screen. So before we discuss this one, first we understand what is object. Object means from where the light rays coming, or the source of light rays. So anything which gives us the light, either it will be its own light or it will be from others' light, is called an object. Now object also two types, real object and virtual object. Real object, all physical objects and light source are real, which either scattered light rays or produce light rays. In physical object in this world, all physical object which can move, okay, and the light sources are the real source. Virtual object, when converging incident rays are incident on eye or an optical device, there is no single point from which light rays actually come. In this case we say that object is virtual. So in this case we consider that at some certain point the rays are coming, but in reality there is no point from where the light rays is come. It's also happening when we studied the real virtual image. Okay, that is called virtual object. Now the real image, already discussed. Real image, the image which can be obtained on the screen is called real image, and we get the real image due to the real intersection of reflected rays. Example, the image formed on a cinema screen. That is called because cinema screen, and on the screen we get the images of an object. That's why it is a real image. Virtual image, where the virtual image is formed due to the apparent means we consider it that at some point the rays are apparently intersected each other. Reflected rays are apparently intersected each other. That means if we placed an screen in case of a virtual image, we cannot see or we cannot obtain the image on the screen. That type of image is called virtual image. The image of our face or ourselves in a plane mirror is an example of virtual image. When we see ourselves in the mirror or in a plane mirror, we consider from behind of the mirror, from at a certain point a light source rays are come. That's why we see ourselves, but there is no point from where the light rays are coming. Okay, so these are called virtual image. So in on a mirror, if we placed any cover as a screen, so we did not see ourselves into the mirror, because virtual image cannot be obtained on the screen. Now if we remove the cover, then only we see ourselves in the mirror. This is the main difference of the real image and the virtual image. I think you understand it. Now what is mirror? Mirror is a highly polished surface, smooth surface, and it is capable of reflecting of a good fraction of light. That means maximum light it will be reflected from from its surface. Okay, so it is a mirror. Mirror is a highly polished surface which is smooth and capable of reflecting a good fraction. Good fraction means maximum amount of light it will reflect if reflected from its surface. That is called mirror. Now mirror also are two types. Mainly mirror are two types. One is a plane mirror, another one is a spherical mirror. But spherical mirror also two types, concave mirror and convex mirror. This portion we discuss in a next video or next class. Today we discuss only about the plane mirror, the image, which type of image is formed, the nature of the image, and some diagrams. Let's see. What is a plane mirror? Everybody's house it will be there. Plane mirror is a piece of glass whose one side is polished by using the silver paint, and which is covered by a coating of red paint to protect the silver layer. If you see your mirror in your home, one silver coating is there over there, and behind it one wood. Nowadays wood is not used. The red paint also be there. Red paint protect the silver coating. Because of that silver coating, the light rays reflected more. That is called a plane mirror. So a plane mirror is a piece of glass whose one side is polished. Because you see that in a mirror, both sides we cannot see ourselves, only the front side. Only one side it will be smooth, and only that side we can see the image of ourselves or our face, not the back side. So back side, it's a coating of a red paint which protect the silver layer. One silver layer also be there. Clear? Now image formed by a plane mirror. Which type of image is formed on a plane mirror? It is clear, it is a virtual image. So this is a diagram for a point object. If any point is over there, O is a point object. So this is called ray diagram of an image formed by a plane mirror. And now if we, in place of a point object, if we have a longer object or a large object, then what will be the diagram? The diagram is like this way. This is a object from object, each point light will be reflected from the mirror. But here for drawing purpose, I will consider this point and this point. But from each point of this object, of the body, from this object, light will be reflected from the mirror. That's why we see the virtual image of an object in a plane mirror. So this is the ray diagram for a large object. In place of a point object, large object is there, then the ray diagram is like this way. And if point object is there, then the diagram will be this way. These are the ray diagram of an image formed by a plane mirror. So in these two diagrams, from these two diagrams, the whatever the image we got or we get, what is the characteristics, what are the characteristics of that image formed by a plane mirror? Yes, you also studied in class 7. You know, first answer everybody know, because we know that in a plane mirror virtual image is formed. So first characteristics of the image should be virtual. This is the first characteristics. Okay. Second characteristics, you see this object. This is a AB. This is pointed, A pointed, this direction in upward direction. In case of an image, A dash, B dash is the image of an object. This directed sign also be a upward direction. That means A dash and A direction is upward direction. So that is that they will not change. Up and down will not change. In case of a virtual image, when we see ourselves, can we see our legs at upward direction and the head is inward direction or downward direction, the image? Not. The head is the upward position and the leg also be the downward position. So what will be change? Our sides will change. The object's left side will be appear the image right side, and object right side is appear to be image left side. You see yourself in a plane mirror once. Now you go and stand in front of a plane mirror. Now you see that when you move your left hand for the image, that is right hand, and when you move your right hand for image, that is the left hand. Just try it once. It takes 1 minute, hardly 1 to 2 minutes. Just once you do this one, then you understand. It is clear. That is called that side change. Partially it will be changed. Left side appears to be right side appears to be left. This is called lateral inversion. So for virtual image is laterally inverted. Laterally means sidewise, side only change, sides only change, not upward and downward direction. Is it clear? So first one is image should be virtual. Second one, because it is not changed, upward direction, downward direction is not changed. That's why that type of image is called erect image, whose up and down is not changed. Only side will be changed. That is called laterally inverted image. When the upward and downward is also exchanged, that type is called this will happen for a real image. Okay, so virtual image always a erect image. Erect means this direction side is upward, so the image direction side also upward. There will be no change in ups and downward direction. Another one, you see that, or when you stand in front of a plane mirror, you see that when you move either in front of to the mirror or far away from the mirror, image also do the same thing. When you move in front of the mirror, image also move in front of the mirror. When you move far away from the mirror, image also move far away from the mirror. So the distance from the mirror to object and mirror to image will be same. So the object distance from mirror and image distance from mirror always same. So from this diagram, OC that is equals to O dash C. From this diagram, BO is equal to B dash O or OB dash. Anything you can say that. This is another one characteristics. Okay. Another one, when you see yourself in a mirror, you see, can you see that the height of the image or the size of the image either smaller than you or the larger than you? No, it is same, it is fixed. So size or height of an object, always image, always equal to the object, it will not change. The height or size of an object will not change, it is same as the size of the image, or size of the object is same as the size of an image. So image size, object size, image height, object height always equal for this case, the image formed by a plane mirror. These are the characteristics of image, of an image formed by a plane mirror. So you do one thing just now, after this, after watching this video, whatever you learn, just practically you do this one. You go and stand in front of the plane mirror. Now you just see that if you move in front of the mirror, image also move. If you move far away from the mirror, also move. Then the distance is same. The size, if you are if the size, you see that in a mirror, whatever the image is formed, is it smaller or larger than your size? You see that it is not larger, neither larger nor the smaller, it is same as the height of the object. And your left side is will appear to right side, but right side will appear to left side. Okay, that is called lateral inversion. So virtual image or the image formed by a plane mirror is laterally inverted image, and this too is the main thing. It's first when we studied the characters of an image formed by a plane mirror, first point our mind, in our mind it will be there, that is a virtual and erect. Clear? In next class we studied the spherical mirror and its type. That is the main topic in this chapter. Okay, so you studied these things, plane mirror, reflection. If you have any questions, please write in a comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.